We live in a digital age, and no matter what we are looking for, we go to the digital realm for it. Dating is no exception. We don't just hope to meet people in bars and bump into the man of our dreams while hailing a cab. This is where the dating apps like Tinder and Bumble come in. Hi guys, I'm Raka from Team Appify, and I'm gonna tell you how we helped our user Michael to make his dating app in few minutes with Appify. First of all, you need to go to our no-code app building platform. If you have already created an app, log into your account and go to Manage and Edit to add dating page to your app. Else, click on Get Started to build your app. Here, we'll show you how you can add the dating page to your new app. First, enter your business name here and click on Next. Then, enter the purpose of your app and click on Next. Based on the app purpose you mention, the system will add certain pages to your app. Now, click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. Once you have selected the desired pricing plan and install the app, click on Start Editing to add dating page to your app. If you see that the dating page is already added to your app, click on it. Else, click on View All. Search for dating and click on the page to add it to your app. The existing app users can add the dating page into their app in exactly the same way. Now, let's take a look at all that you can do with the newly added dating page. This is your page name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or an outline icon or an image from our library, or add your own custom icon image. You can even upload 2 different images for mobile app and website. Now, let's move to dating section. In dating link field, you need to provide Firebase data URL. In order to do that, you have to first open Firebase in a new tab. If you have a Firebase account, log in, else create an account. Click on Get Started. Now, click on Add Project. A pop-up would appear where you need to fill in all the details. After that, click on Create Project. Then on Continue. Now, click on Add Firebase to your web app. A pop-up Add Firebase to your web app will appear showing API key, auth domain and database URL. Copy appropriate keys and paste them in respective fields on Creator Software. Now, go back to Firebase and click on the Develop menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Authentication. Switch to Sign In Method tab and enable Anonymous. Once done, click on Save. Now, go to Database section under Develop. Click on Get Started under Real-Time Database. Click on Enable Switch to Rule tab and delete the entire code. Now, enter the code given in the tutorial or shared in the description below and click on Publish. Once you are done, go back to Creator Software. Next comes Payment Settings. Here, you will see 2 payment methods, free and in-app purchase. By default, the payment method is set to free. If you want to enable in-app purchase, select the option. Now, you need to provide Android and iOS payment credentials. Click on the information icon here and follow the tutorial. how to activate in-app purchase to get Android payment credentials such as monthly subscription package ID, yearly subscription package ID, one-time payment product ID, and public key. Copy and paste the keys into their respective fields. Now, click on iOS payment credential information icon here. Follow the tutorial how to activate in-app purchase from iTunes Store to get iOS payment credentials like monthly subscription package ID, yearly subscription package ID, one-time payment product ID. Copy and paste the keys into their respective fields. Now, enter the monthly, yearly, and one-time payment tries that you want to charge from your users and select the appropriate currency. Let's check out page style and color scheme. From here, you can change the app page's background. If you want, you can choose a background image from our library or go with solid color page background. You can even upload your own custom image from here. If you want, you can use the same image for both portrait and landscape modes, or upload different for each. Next comes dislike icon. If you want to change the icon image, click on it. Select the specific icon image from our wide library or upload your own custom icon image. Once done, click on Save to continue. Now, let's move to like icon. If you want to change the icon image, click on it. Select the specific icon image from our wide library or upload your own custom icon image. Once done, click on Save to continue. If you want, you can also change page element color, font style, and font size from this section. Next comes navigation settings. If you want to enable back navigation button on header, tick mark this checkbox. Once done, click on Save and continue. If you found this addition useful, please don't forget to like, share and comment below. And if you want to see more such additions, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon below.